to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel with me as well. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to test two very important airbag components. Okay, two of them on Dodge, Jeep or Chrysler. Any Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicle guys, that procedure will work. We'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, but it doesn't matter which vehicle we have. All of them are made by Chrysler, so the procedure will be the same. We will have guys more than 200 videos on every Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler that we get at the shop. We completely take them apart, we show you how to fix everything. The purpose of those videos guys is to save you as much money as we can, so please subscribe, that's all we need in return. Now, what we'll show you guys, how to test, seat belt buckle, doesn't matter if it's the passenger or a driver seat belt buckle, how to test those, and how to test the occupant sensor. You know when you sit on the seat and it detects if you're heavy enough to turn the airbag on, how fast it's going to turn it on and all that stuff, you have an occupant sensor in the seat. So if you have an airbag light for that guys and you're wondering how to test those things, let us show you now. All we have to do, turn the ignition on your Dodge, Jeep or Chrysler vehicle. Ignition on only, without the engine running. You can see like that. Let me close my door. Perfect. Now, the system guys, that we'll be using, it's Maxicom. You can check it out in the description of the video below guys. That thing is amazing and it can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on any car pretty much, not just Dodge, Jeep and Chrysler. You can see it's amazing. We'll just click VIN number, auto detect. It's going to decode the VIN number and tell us which vehicle we have. And that way it's way easier than manually selecting, let's say 2012 Dodge model Journey, and then you have to select different engines. If you have a different transmission, it does all that on its own. After that, it's going to connect to the car computer. We'll click diagnostics, control unit, and now airbag is usually under body. You can see airbag occupant restraint right here. And if we go under live data guys, you can see pretty much everything about your airbag system. You can test so many things. We'll go all the way down, and check out what it says now. Right here, passenger seat belt switch. It says fastened. Because we have this one, installed. Now let's remove the belt. It changes to not fastened. Let's put the belt on. Do you see how it changes on the screen? It says fastened now. Let's disconnect it. So that definitely works. Let me try the driver's side now and see what happens. So I'm going to plug mine in. Listen now. Fastened. So both of the buckles, both of the switches work. I'll remove it, plug it. Perfect. Now check out something else guys. Right here now, occupant detection status, it says occupied because we have a heavy person sitting there. If we get off the seat, it's going to take a little bit of time. It says unoccupied. Let's sit back on the seat. We need to give it a little bit of time. It says occupied. So you can see guys, that's how it tests the sensor to make sure it's working. It says that passenger airbag status is activated. This one, it really depends if it's going to deactivate it or not. It depends on many factors, so you can check this one out in your manual, and you can see so many things about your airbag system. You can test your pretensioners and all that stuff. That's where the resistance is, so if something's off it's going to tell us. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe button and see you guys next time.